Hi, Richard here from Eagle 6 Airsoft. We're going to be testing this Tokimori HK416D. This one is a DMR build that we've locked onto single shot for the UK. It is running at 287 on 4.3s and 443 on 0.2s. This is got a M140 spring. We've got, actually I think we've got 120 eventually, 120. So then we've got the Psionic R hop in there. We've got the Prometheus tightbore barrel, Prometheus Bearings, the Prometheus hard gears, 20-1. We've got the upgraded recoil spring for slightly harder recoil kick from Eagle 6. We've got the Prometheus spring guide. Oh no, I believe we switched that out for a FPF spring guide. We've got the FPS piston because we don't install the Prometheus pistons anymore. We've got the we don't install the Prometheus cylinders anymore. We've put the FPS cylinder head in there. Obviously the Prometheus pistons were prone to breakage. It's a very hard, brittle material that just wasn't strong enough. We've also got the Prometheus Sorbo pads are very prone to disintegration, so we don't like to install those anymore now that there's better alternatives. We've got the FPS cylinder type D, we've got the FPS nozzle, we've got the FPS tappet plate, I believe we installed on this as well for you. We've got the so we didn't install the bar kit because you wanted the CTR stock conversion. So we've done the CTR and hollowed it out for the to accept the batteries, and done the Magpul CTR stock conversion, FPS tappet plate, Prometheus selector plate because FPS don't make one. We've got Prometheus anti-reversal latch again as FPS don't make one. We've got the Lonex spiral pinion gear set on there. We've installed that onto the warhead base brushless motor for obviously a slightly quieter sound in operation. We've also got the Leviathan Sling which we've installed there, and the Leviathan trigger pin installed there. And I think that's it. So I'm just going to demonstrate with a stress test as much as we can do on single shots. Obviously we're looking to encourage anything to fall off that would like to fall off. Sometimes when you first start the guns up, the Mosfet has to find its position with brushless motors. But once it does find the position, it's a single shot there and after. There we go, so all tested. Hopefully the build's all good for you. I might have to do some jiggery pokery with the invoice just to make sure you've got the right listing build, you know, just in case you sell it on or something. But yeah, like I say, all good. Any problems, let me know, but hopefully it's the build that you're looking for and that we can get this into your hands very, very soon. Thank you.